So in the last couple videos, we've been talking about trust, and today I want to cover even another aspect of trust building that couples are looking at for when they feel safe in their relationship. And this one's about good intentions, or that your partner, believing essentially that your partner cares about your best intentions. And so somebody can kind of be kind of erratic, somebody can not always follow through with exactly what they say. But if even when they make mistakes along the way, you can detect in them that they really care and they have good intentions, that can still build a level of trust. And how it sounds is when they do make a mistake, taking ownership, like, oh my God, I didn't realize, I didn't mean that. I'm so sorry. I'm working on it. I'm trying. Like, if you hear that language, it sounds caring and it sounds well-intentioned, meaning they recognize that it's something they need to work on. They recognize they suck at things, but they're trying. So good intentions and believing that your partner really does have good intentions, but maybe they're kind of bad at making habits. Let's be real. Nobody's perfect at making habits. We all say things at times where we're like, I'm going to do this thing. And then sometimes you follow through and sometimes you don't. So like being too restrictive on my trust equation that I described in a couple of videos ago, which is words plus actions over time. If you only focus on that, but you don't give people room for their intentions, then it's too black and white, essentially. Like, well, you said this and you didn't do it. Well, okay, who doesn't? Like, we're humans. I say things that I'd like to do. I sometimes just put ideas out into the world that sometimes I'm going to follow through with, and sometimes they were just brainstormy ideas. Sometimes I would like the idea of me doing those things, but the actual follow through of those it's a lot more work. And so one of the aspects for you to look for in terms of, is this a trustworthy person or am I a trustworthy person, is actually showing ownership and good intention. That like, no, I really didn't mean to do that. I really didn't mean to say that thing. I am really sorry that came across that way. I am working on it. I struggle with these things. Those words, if you hear them, if you hear the language, it's ownership language. It is stating intentions for positive and caring for their partner. But like what really seals the deal is that ownership piece, that recognizing that it's something I need to work on. I've always struggled with it. I will continue to struggle with it, but you mean something to me, and I want to do what I can to work towards making this better. You hear that in the language. There's a relevance to how people say things. And this is the hard piece. So going back to my equation, there are some people in this world who have great lip service, who've learned the strategies to say what they need to say to get by. And so that's why I still have that equation of actions do need to start meaning those words over time, even if it's like adjusting over time and working at it, like seeing them trying and failing, but continuing to work at it is showing that good intention that they are trying, that it's just building new habits. If you'd like to learn more, please submit a contact form at therapistinstlouis.com, and also please like and subscribe.